Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the phone and backing up anything critical, then go straight to sound and vibration. Once there, toggle profiles and turn off Bluetooth so wireless devices aren't changing volume. Make sure any sound enhancement apps are closed. Next, force stop and clear cache for media storage and the phone app. This removes stale audio state that can auto-raise volume. If you see suspicious third-party audio apps, uninstall them now and reboot to continue testing. Now you dig deeper. Turn off Dolby Atmos, equalizer presets, and any adaptive sound features because they can dynamically raise levels. Once done, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If the problem stops, uninstall recently added audio or automation apps. Make sure accessibility services aren't controlling volume. If settings look correct, clear the cache partition or reset app preferences to restore default behaviors. This fixes corrupted audio settings without erasing personal files, and then reboot and retest loudness behavior. To finish, update the system and any audio firmware first, then test again. If the automatic volume persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software faults. If a reset doesn't help, suspect hardware, contact Poco support or a service center for speaker/module diagnostics. One key tip: always reproduce the issue in safe mode. If it disappears, a third-party app is the culprit, and removing apps one by one will locate the offender without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.